It's too risky. But don't worry, Lige.
Hello?
We will respawn somewhere out there.
Yes.
Dulas,
Ano
right?
may bagong topic?
Oh, I think
Ha?
parang tapos yun ba ito or hindi pa. Dulas, right? Medyo somewhat mimic man to pero hatapos yun nabi to. Nakon. Gusto ko ta i-play yung parang ano, chapter 1 yung man. Gusto ko ubra na tong series, Dumimik.
Oo.
Pero may una nga puzzle. May una nga puzzle nga hindi natin kaya. Yung atong painting na to. But we will see na lang. We will see na lang. Bago like yung cellphone, no? Or dati pataron.
Yes, may
Haron,
mag-o.
di mo
May
di mo lang alam.
ballpen.
Oh, di mo lang
May
alam.
ballpen na.
Di mo na alam. Haron daw tong savior.
Ano?
The 80-year school.
20 years.
Yung atong sa elementary school naton na nag-inusap atong classmate about sa atong dating atong school nga dati cemeteryo.
มีงานกีฬาสีแล้วสินะเนี่ย
Yes.
Di mo alam.
วันนี้ก็ได้อยู่
Tomorrow
ช่วยงาน
there
โร
is
ง
a
เรียน
sport
จน
day
เย็นเลย
event,
นะ
so
เนี่ย
I have to help out until evening. Oh,
ขอบคุณมากคณะ
Thank
นัก
you
เรียน
very
ที่มา
much
ช่วย
for
งานครูกลับก่อนนะคะ
I'll go
นั
home
กเรียน
now.
ก็ควรกลับได้แล้วค่ะจะ
You
6
should
โมง
go
แล้ว
home now. It's almost 6 p.m. I think I press hold mo let you to sprint. Ang ganda ng loading screen ah. So shiny. Oh no, I forgot my tablet in my classroom. Why did you bring a tablet?
ต้อง
I
รีบ
have
ขึ้น
to
ไปเอา
get
ก่อนกลับ
it
บ้านแล้ว
before I go home. Relatable. Sa elementary ko dinala ka tablet. So yeah, hindi to unlimited sprint. Limit sprint lang. Yes. Ano lang, itap mo na lang the sprint. Get the tablet from the 3rd floor class. The tablet! Sana all. Oh,
อะไรวะเนี่ย
what?
ทำไมยังไม่
Why
กลับบ้าน
haven't
คะ
you
นักเรี
gone
ยน
home yet? I forgot my laptop. Why haven't you gone home yet? I forgot my laptop. Are you
มัน
joking?
อะไรกันวะเนี่ย
What's this paper? How to survival from the goals of teacher. We need to look. The room with a red talisman on the door will be safe. Burn the hair and nail fragment. So basically, like nga door nga sa taas nga na, yung square red, it's a safe zone. So every floors may makaron dun. Aton yung goal is to get the hair, then burn it.
Okay.
But- We will see na lang. Be careful lunch dahil very fast mo, so need mo nga pinutun do sprint.
Oo.
Yes. Makikita man nimo do hair nga kung maniri kang whisper, like a whisper. I would recommend you i-open the doors para madali kita magsud.
What if paano? Ear on
Why mo ya?
May hinanggal ako.
It's too risky. But don't worry, Lige.
Hello?
We will respawn somewhere out there. Malalaman man natin kung emaw. Harno safe zone da, don't worry. I don't know, may red talisman. We don't know.
Yeah.
Lige, do not be scared. If you're scared, I'm scared also.
Di mao.
I don't know, nai-hear ko yung Pero malalaman na natin kung ga-zoom atong screen.
Aga-zoom gali.
I feel like sa second floor tayo mo or sa first floor. Dahil gagto kita sa second floor, third floor rin eh. Guys, we need to hurry. We're gonna be screwed because walang talisman dito.
Kuya John?
Go down, go
Di
down.
mo, buksan tayo, oh.
Di, mabuksan na may specific door eh.
Ay, okay.
Yes, may specific door. Need mo talaga i-check the door kung willing mo i-open dun. I have a hair and nails. Snip it.
Ano?
It's weird.
Ano
Gagto,
da? Ano yung sunod?
one at a time lang, need mo magbuo it hair sa second floor. So, naman gyapon ako kimo ron. Sa first floor do, gina-burn. Pero need na to ng lighter.
Lighter. Yun.
Sa idawom, agtukit na lang sa idawom. Light, we must go down.
Hajat mo niya.
Wala na dyan, Lige. We must go down. Do not be scared. Because if you're scared, I'm scared also. And that will be not good for us. Oh, good.
Pumutay ako dyan. Batay respawn.
Sinkan.
Ano gali?
Oh yes, sink ka.
Ano eh?
Sa second floor ka, Lige. Go look around. Please open the door, Lige, para makaagto ko una.
Naka-open yung door.
Okay. Don't worry, Lige. I'll be there soon. Soon. Sin mo, Lige.
Awan mo iya?
Lige, open the door for me, please.
Yeah.
Game out.
Nay mao?
Oh, I would prefer to stay back dahil kaya na ikaw abuton.
Ay, oh.
Yes. Nag-stand malangan na ako malapit sa door ay haabutan tanan ako. Sa next door, like, I feel like may talisman.
Nay mayata dyan.
Oh my god, camper.
Ay, aray mo. Ato Ano mo?
Una pa mo ron. Kahit mag-peek ka, ano rin mo turn around. And that's the scariest part. Okay. Nasa, bagto mo sa, I don't know. Haraw, may talisman. This is the safe zone. Lige, take this please.
Ten. Ay,
Yes, take some bilog kita eh. One at a time. We have to go down para i-burn. Pero need na to napon do lighter.
lighter pag galing.
Ayan. The problem is, saan ba napunta yung lady, yung teacher? Sa taas ba or sa dawong? We need to go down. Kung mamatay kita, mawawala do hair naton at nails.
Aray.
At-
Iya man gyapon dayon.
Yes, oh my god. Garispan man gyapon sanda kung simo gimbuo.
Okay, sige.
Aray sa third floor. So, hindi dapat ako pwede mamatay dahil malisod magbalik sa third floor.
Ay, oh, yan man gyapon dyan, oh.
Bukon, Ano, kung mamatay ako, ray nga ra, babalik ra sa third floor. Kung singko ging buo.
Ay, go.
Come on, Lige.
Parang.
May save zone ito malapit sa first floor. First floor. You have to go, Lige.
Ano yun?
Lige, walang talisman di karon. Ikaw na, Lige. Dahil garispan ka man sa second floor. Check mo kung una imaw. Open the door, Lige. Di karon. Open the door. Come.
Ilang buksan ako sa bata.
Sige. Be careful. Una imaw. Sa left side.
Ito lang.
Sige, Lige.
I think sa ibabaw.
Diretso ikaw, Lige. Maghanap ka kung basta may makita kang lighter. Oh no, never mind. I found it.
Nagan?
Yes. Di ka ra, Lige. Malapit sa first floor. Oh my god! Oh my goodness! Lapit lang na ako. Oh my god, lapit lang na ako, Boyton. Okay, Lige. Okay na, all good. Nagbalik mo sa taas. Sing ka?
Wait lang, gusto ako tighter.
Oh,
Ako sa may...
Ay, no. It's
Ano?
good na, Lige. It's good na. Okay na do lighter. I-burn na yung hair.
Wala ako sa may safe zone.
May hair ba dyan?
Oh, iyak ako.
Gimme. Sen?
Iyak ako dyan.
Need pa natin sa bilog. One at a time eh.
Lighter?
Hair and nails.
Iyak ako. Isang bato.
Okay. Sing ka, Lige. I have one. Okay na, Lige. The lighter. Hanap kon. Need lang natin i-burn.
Sige.
Diretso kita. Agto kita sa safe zone. Sa diretso di karon no. Balik, Lige. Balik. Una imaw. Nag-zoom ang screen.
Okay, yun.
Oh my god, yun na imaw. Pag timoki mo, Lige. Ay, iya tagal ikaw.
Yay.
Itap mo, Lige, do yung screen para mabalik yung stamina. Do yung sprint. Oh my god. Lady, stay away.
Grabe tayo mo.
What if I leave? Since iya man doon, no? Pero Lige, I must go. Goodbye.
Sige.
I lived.
Sunod kayo.
Hala ka, Lige. Favorite ka na, Lige.
Kasi naglagay mo.
Agto niya, Lige. Diretso lang. What the?
Diyan na, huwag mo na doon.
Umalis na siya, Lige. Let's go.
Sino mo?
Nag-alis na siya. Sa second floor na siya. Dito ako, Lige, sa gate. Sa second floor siya. Dito ako, Lige. Guwa. Dito.
Okay.
Akto di ka no at i-burn. Di ka to. Haro. Hurry, Lige. Babalik na siya. Burn.
Okay, burn.
I burned.
ทำอะไรอยู่ครับ
What are you doing?
มันไปแล้ว
She's
ใช่ไหม
gone, right?
Okay.
Maybe.
walk to guard house.
I think so. Ubus ng stamina? Grabe oh. Grabe to school.
Stigay.
Grabe matanandang ano. Andang anay tawag kara. Andang pang court.
Grabe, tandang court ah.
Scary. Oh ba? May isang bilog pa galing building oh.
Was another one?
Yabi do Thailand. Ano school ah. Oh,
Okay.
I'm headless.
วิ่งมาหน้าตั้ง
Running
เชี
like
ยว
that, you
เจ
must
อ
have
ปูสมอง
encountered
สีและสิ
teachers
ท่า
some more right?
คุณรู้อะไร
What did you know? Can you tell me about it?
ได้ไหมครับ
ครูเขา
She passed
เสียไป
away
เป็น
20 years
20
ago.
ปีแล้ว แกเสีย
She
ในห้อง
passed
พักครู
away
ชั้
in
น
the
หนึ่ง
first floor teacher room.
เห็นว่าโดน
She was
ทำของ
cursed
มนต์
to
ดำ
death
ใส่จน
and
ตาย
black
เพราะ
magic
ไปลบ
because
หลู่
she
หมอผี
disrespect a shaman.
Oh.
เวลา 18 นาฬิกา
She died.
ชอบมี
People
คนเห็นแก
often
ตอน
see
ช่วง
her
โอเพ
around
แบ
this
บนี้
time of twilight. Can you open the
เปิด
fence
ประ
door
ตู
for
ให้ผมอ
me?
อกได้หรือเปล่าครับ
No.
กุญแจ
I keep
รั้ว
the
ฉัน
fence
เอาไว้ใน
key
ห้อง
in
ห
the
มวด
mat
คณิต
room.
ไปเอา
Go
กุญ
get
แจ
the
มาเปิด
key
เอ
and
งถ้า
open
อยาก
it
จะออก
yourself if you want to leave. Why don't you
ทำไม
go
คุณถึง
take it
ไม่
with me?
ไปเอากับผมเหรอครับ
Sure.
ฉัน
I
ไม่
don't
อยาก
want
เข้า
to
ไป
go
ตึกพยอมท
to
องตอนเวลา
the
นี้หรอก
Five on Tong building at this time. Why? You're the guard. It's your job.
โชคดีล่ะ
Sir, you're gonna get fired from this.
Sana wala nandiyan.
Scary. Ang laki ng building. It's too much for me. Pwede namang gamiton do elevator ay God. Can't. What is the second floor na tayo? Third,
The third year parang. Or fourth.
fourth, and fifth. Oh, this is the fifth building. What is that?
Pero hindi ko makita. Ang
Nani. Tomorrow I'll be going to another province. When I return, I'll bring the letter back and keep it in the dance practice room. Teachers, blah blah blah. Okay. Naubo lang ako. It's locked. It's also locked. Wow, big buildings. Big. It's locked. I cannot see. I left the dance practice room key with Mr. Witt in the science building because tomorrow I'll be going to the province seminar with teachers. So what was
ต้อง
wrong?
ไปแต่วิเหรอวะ จะบ้าตาย เฮ้ย
Ay nako, Lige, ayoko na. We're going back, Lige. Doon na naman sa building, sa first building.
No.
We have to. We have no choice. Bakit ba? Baylo-baylo lang kasi sinato napadpaduki. You have to run. I am not willing to wait. Parampampam, parampampam. Kita mo rin lights, tuloy yung bilog nga ron. It leads us back again. We must be civilized. We have to walk across this.
Feeling ko ta kung ma-experience ko na to kaya in real life ay.
Alin?
Siguro mahalin na to. Kung ma-experience ko ro yun sa
Kwa-
real life.
Kung ako ta karon, lilipong ako karon, malipong tang. I'm gonna faint.
Di ba?
Oh no, isn't this
He red
Pibes
bottom,
who
but
played
why?
basketball until he has a heart attack?
ไม่จริง
No! No.
Grabe, nang ano, smile.
Man.
Wait, di ba tayo nakita natin sa ano? Sa intro? No, I
Ano
don't
nangyari ka na
I don't wanna stay. Na heart attack ko na mo.